Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Kani salad. For this dish we need a little mayo, sriracha, imitation crab sticks, 2 carrots, 2 scallions, 2 kirby cucumbers, lemon, salt, pepper, and sugar. We're going to make a dressing first, so to a small bowl we're going to add a half cup of mayonnaise. I'm using kirby because that's my favorite, but use your favorite mayonnaise, whatever you have on hand. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of sriracha for some spiciness and the zest of half of this lemon, being sure not to get any of that bitter white pith as we're grating this in. We also need the juice of half of a lemon. I'm just going to use a strainer to catch any seeds. This is going to add a brightness to our dressing and make it feel a little lighter. Next goes in a pinch of sugar, a pinch of salt, and about 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. We're going to give this a really good mix and set this aside. For our vegetables, we need 2 medium-sized carrots. We're just going to cut this into matchsticks, so cutting on the bias into a little thin plank, and then going ahead and chopping into small little matchsticks. It should look a little something like this. We're also going to cut our cucumber into planks and then into matchsticks as well. I like using kirby cucumbers because the seeds aren't as large in this. If you want to peel your cucumber, just go right ahead. I just like the color it adds. Next, we are going to chop up 2 scallions into thin little discs. And this can all go into one large bowl. And I like the idea of this salad as well as the taste of it because it requires 0 cooking and it comes together so quickly. So everything goes into the large bowl. And now for the start of this dish, imitation crab meat. And this does come individually wrapped, so just be aware of that. We're just going to shred this up, and it shreds really easily. If you're allergic to shellfish, this is a really good alternative because there's 0 shellfish in here. It's just usually ground up pollock, some starch, sugar, and some water. So just check if you're gluten-free, just check what starch they're using because it varies. It could be tapioca, potato, or wheat. Once that's all shredded up, we can add in our dressing and give this a very thorough mix because we want that dressing to coat everything. So just using my chopsticks, getting in there and giving this a really good tossing. I don't know if that was an appropriate term. If you know, you know. So once everything is mixed together, we're going to pop this into a large bowl just for presentation to make it look prettier. Sorry if you can hear my dog snoring next to me. To garnish, we're going to add a little sprinkling of sesame seeds, and there it is. So now let's go ahead and give this a taste. This is the perfect bite. It has everything. The crab is sweet and tender. You get a crunchiness from the carrot. You get an onioness from the scallions. The cucumber adds just this nice, beautiful freshness. The dressing itself is bright and tart and creamy and a little spicy from that sriracha. And this is absolutely delicious. But there it is, Kani salad. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell because I put on new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.